Hi everybody! In this video tutorial I will teach you how to create AI videos by means of Vidnaz AI video generator. The first thing to note is that Vidnaz AI is an online tool which is fully functional in your browser. You don't have to download and install it on your device. To start using this AI video generator you have to sign up and choose a subscription plan. There is a completely free plan with some usage limitations such as 3 minutes per day video length, 720p export resolution instead of 1080p, max 2000 characters per scene instead of 5000 like in paid plans. Please check the difference of paid plans at the company's pricing page to save your time. To tell you the truth, it took me only several hours to play around with this AI video generator to completely understand its functionality. I have never contacted support team for any help or read any tutorials to start using the tool. So, the program is very user-friendly and intuitive to use. To start making your first AI video, click on Templates tab on the left side of the screen and choose one. All video templates are ready to use, so all you have to do is just to choose one that is most suitable for your current task. Next, click on Use this template and wait till all the scenes are fully loaded. On the next screen you will see a sort of drag and drop builder. At the top you can use tabs to change avatar, add text and shapes, change background, add stickers, videos, images or music. There is also an option to add different transitions between the scenes. Under the main window of the scene you can see a box with the text input. Add whatever you want and AI avatar will speak it with the desired language. You can choose a variety of languages, set the speed of pronunciation, add subtitles to your video and even record and upload your voice. That's all. When you finish creating all the scenes you can preview the whole project by clicking on Preview button or click on Generate button at the top right and wait till your first AI video is generated. These are the basic functions to start making your first video using artificial intelligence. I found it really simple, yet very powerful tool.